really value relationships as part of our business, and that's with our customers, but also supplier relationships. And I think long-standing relationships have really enabled us to grow the business, and Freefoam, I think, are a great example of that.
We want mutually beneficial relationships where they can see the advantage of working with us and we see the advantage of working for them. We've been dealing with Freefoam for as long as I can remember. Freefoam shares similar values to LBS, and they work well with our teams. Without good people, we don't have the strong business we have.
The company was founded in 1931 as a coal merchant in Llandeilo by our great-grandfather. We expanded from our existing site in Llandeilo in 1986 to our second site, which was in Ammanford, which is where our head office is today. We have an online trading business, we have a civils business, a roofing business, a kitchen and bathrooms business, a home and garden centre. So that all happened essentially in the last 20 or so years to where we are today, with 29 sites with 52 branches across those 29 sites, trading all under the LBS umbrella. And what's really important is that we're a one-stop shop where people essentially can get anything they need to build a house.
We employ over 450 people across those sites, all in Wales. We're a Welsh business, we're proud to be a Welsh business. You know, it's part of our identity here. We've got staff who've been with us 30, 40 years. We've actually got staff who work for us who are multi-generational, where we've got, they've been working for us for 20, 30 years, and then their kids come into the business. We've got a set of values and principles that we lead the company by, and these are integrity, passion, ambition, teamwork, and communication. Those values seem to align with Freefoam's as well. I think it's been over 18 years now we've been dealing with Freefoam. As I grew up through the industry and as I got exposed more to the more external industry, I realised that this wasn't necessarily a product that all merchants keep in stock, and understood that it was a strength that we had it. Our customers know that if they are looking for any of these roof line products, then they know that LBS is the place to come for them.
One of the biggest pieces of exercise we do when we either acquire a new business or open a new branch is we look at our stocking range, and that's dictated by our branch manager who's going in there, who understands their trading area, customer demand, and also success we've had across the business with our suppliers and stocking ranges. And I don't think it's a coincidence that Freefoam goes into every single new builders merchant branch that we open. And that's not necessarily because of the commercials of the product are great, it's because the relationship we have with the supplier is also really strong. We really want to have a collaborative approach to our suppliers and collaborative relationships where it's not completely transactional. I think Freefoam have absolutely exemplified that. I know Steve and Carl are always at the end of the phone to us. The feedback we get from them is only ever positive. It's just gone from strength to strength over the years as we have grown the business and added branches. Every single one of those has been stocked with Freefoam products. And I think that's a sign of success.